So today, at the request of my clients, I had come here to meet the governor. He had given us a appointment at 1 o'clock. The panchayats had previously made a representation to the governor seeking resumption of mining, some intervention by him by which mining can be resumed, because there is a lot of problem that the panchayats are facing in terms of their constituents. As you all must have already known so far, the situation in the village panchayats of the mining belt is very, very acute. All loans have become NPAs, ancestral properties are gone, assets bought by hard-earned money is all gone, there is no employment. The people in that belt have been dependent on mining for the last 3-4 generations. Their skill sets are all related to mining and mining related businesses. Today they cannot find alternate employment. There is sufficient study actually done on the economic health of the state, how much the state has lost, about 5,000 crores every year, and foreign exchange, district mineral funds, so many things which the state and which the people are falling short on because mining has been stopped. But there is no study which has been done on the mental health. The mental health, because of banks calling for repayment of loans, because of no employment, there is serious depression. The mental health, mental equilibrium is affected. Today, because of COVID times, this is what they were telling me, cases of domestic violence are increasing because people are contained in their houses. They have to vent out frustration somewhere. So what is happening in the villages is very, very grim. The only solution appears to be proper resumption of mining. And this is what we have moved the Honorable Supreme Court, because as the voice of the people, these people are elected representatives. 26 panchayats totally account for about 1.3 lakh, 1.5 lakh population. In 2014 itself, the Honorable Supreme Court had taken note of the arguments of the panchayat that about 1.5 lakh people are dependent on mining. Now today, at least there were about 2 to 3 lakh people who are dependent on mining, directly or indirectly, all of whom are suffering. So this is the point which we made also to the governor today inside. The governor is fully appraised of the situation. Some other points which we have mentioned to him, he has taken note of. He is absolutely positive. He is also of the view that resumption of mining would be the best solution for improving the plight of Goa and all people in the village. So we are hopeful. We have put forward our case before him. We came to meet him to inform him about the impleadment which we have filed, and also because we had previously made a representation. And let us see, we are hopeful that something positive will come out. Governor अपेक्षा म्हणजे we were looking at previously in the representation we have made certain requests which are being considered by the governor, and he has also informed us that he has spoken at the central level to consider those requests. So that was also something which we impressed upon, and we are hopeful that something positive would come out of that also. So 18th is the hearing in the Supreme Court. We are hopeful that the matter would be heard in the Supreme Court, and our impleadment would also be allowed. The Supreme Court, like in 2014, will also give us a hearing now, and we should be able to put forward the plight of the people as being the true voice, representing people, to put forward what is the suffering and what are the cascading effects which are being felt.
Mental health बद्दल तुम्ही जे तुमची पेटिशन कोर्टा मुखार गेला काय फक्त गव्हर्नराक इन्फॉर्म केला?
गव्हर्नराक इन्फॉर्म केला, आम्ही इम्प्लिमेंटानूय घाला ऑफ हाव, एंड सी इट इज नॉट समथिंग विच इज टू डिफिकल्ट टू फॅदम. म्हणजे when first of all unemployment, secondly investments made gone bad, banks calling for repayment of loans, ancestral properties acquired by hard-earned money are all getting attached. लोक करतले गेले. There is frustration. In fact, talent जो आशिल्लो विलेजीन, the talent is also getting drained out from Goa. तेही वतात आणि ते परते वचे ना. So long term effects कोणे तरी चिंतूंक, I mean हाजेर एक स्टडी समज जाल्ली, would have been actually very vital. Like, economic health has been so far all studied. Lakhs and crores of rupees that the government is losing, panchayats are losing, that has all been accounted for. But what about the actual suffering of the people? Women and children. Today children find it difficult to go to schools. Many mining companies, at least as a part of CSR programs, used to provide school buses. In certain villages, the schools are 13 kilometers away. आज आवय बापांकडे पैसे दोन to bring two proper meals on the table, they are finding it difficult. या खंयच्यान ट्रान्सपोर्ट लायतले. So भुरग्यांक समज घरा बसयले, चायल्ड लेबर तुवें गोंयान पळयला is all waned out over the years. फुडें परिस्थिती येतली अशी. We are creating troubles for ourselves. Now if you see nutritionूच समज तूं पळोवपाक गेलो, when there is no money to put two proper meals on table, we are talking about children, education, women empowerment here. Yes, somebody actually going to see whether these people are getting a proper nutritious meal or not. And with these type of things at the back of the head, की बाबा घर ऑप्शन जावन वतलें काय ना तेंच खबर ना. तातूंत जेवण आनी कितें घालपाचें, स्कुलान आनी कितें घालपाचें, मागीर जॉब करपाक फाल्यां भुरग्यांकूय कामाक लावपाक आसा. And this is not something, I mean, this would be illegal, but this is not something which they would want to do as a matter of choice. पर्याय ना म्हणून करचो पडटलो. पण हें सगळें अरेस्ट करपाक वी हॅव एन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी नाव. सो दॅट इज वाय वी आर बिफोर द सुप्रीम कोर्ट टू पुट फॉरवर्ड ऑल दीस केस. स्टेटाक पयशे मेळटले, स्टेट मागीर डेव्हलपमेंट करतलो इज देर, इज डेफिनेटली देर, बट a lot of suffering will get alleviated if mining resumes. आणि what the opposition म्हणजे आमगेले ती NGO पळय what they are trying to do is somehow delay and stop mining. That is their agenda.
तो फॅक्टर गोवा फाउंडेशन एक प्रकार एक ह्या जे तेजे खातीर डिले जाता, पण तेणी स्टँड पयलीं घेतलो की लेजिटिमेट मायनींग स्टार्ट जावपाक जाय. सेकंड तेजो तेवटेन टायगर रिजर्व जावपाक जाय म्हणून ते हायकोर्टान वयता, म्हणजे कॉन्ट्रडिक्टरी.
See, law has to be followed. In fact, today before the Supreme Court, the case is on an interpretation of law, not on environment. Nobody, I don't think any of the panchayats are saying की improper mining सुरू कर म्हणून कोणूच मागता. आमची प्रेयर ऑल्सो इज फॉर रिझम्पशन ऑफ प्रॉपर मायनिंग. प्रॉपर मायनिंग म्हणजे मायनिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ लॉ, वॉट एवर परमिशन्स हॅव टू बी टेकन. कोणूच तुका विदाउट परमिशन चल पयशे मेळटा म्हणून करूंक लावचो ना. वॉट somehow they are trying to do today is extend the stoppage of mining. What is the purpose is difficult to fathom, but their opposition is, they say that they are the voice of the people, they represent public interest, but these people are the elected representatives. तांकां mandate fulfill करूंक जाय. लोक आज सादारण मनशाक एक MLA कडेन मिनिस्टर सोडूच एक्सेस नासता. पयलो एक्सेस तांचो पॉयंट पंच, सरपंच. सो कितें घरान जाता घरची, कोण कितें फोन मारून बँक कशें कितें ऑप्शन करपाक येता, भुरग्याच्या शिक्षणाक हायर एड्युकेशनाक पयशे ना, चलयेच्या लग्नाक पयशे ना, हे प्रॉब्लम सगळे हांचे कडेन येता. बायलेच्या मेडिकल हेल्थाक पयशे ना, हे प्रॉब्लम हांचे कडेन येता. सो एज अ कलेक्टीव, आणि एक्चुअली ऑल 43 पंचायत 44 पंचायत आमी रेप्रेझेंटेशन रेझोल्युशन जे घेतला, जॉयंट रेझोल्युशन. बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड वी आर ओनली 26 which we have been able to galvanize to move the Supreme Court. But these people, if you ask me, they represent the true voice of people. Because collectively, they derive the wisdom and the public sentiment. And ultimately, people come to them with their demands. They have to also act. That is the mandate given to them. These people are elected by majority. See, these people have to face elections all the time. So NGOs don't have to do it.
गोवा फाउंडेशनचो मुद्दो गव्हर्नरान मांडलो.
Goa Foundation, and in the past they had made a representation to the government.
तुम्ही आता रेज केलो विषय ते प्रॉब्लेम करताय.
We have raised the issue to say that they cannot be said to be representing the true voice of the people. That the true voice of the people resides in the village panchayats, who are actually constitutional bodies, carved out under the postulated by the constitution itself. And these are elected people. तांची ग्रामसभा आसता. ग्रामसभान लोकल विलेजर्स येवन रेझोल्युशन्स घेतात. दे हॅव टेकन रेझोल्युशन्स दॅट मायनिंग शूड बी रिझ्यूम. अँड आय डोंट थिंक एनीबडी इज सेईंग इलिगल मायनिंग रिझ्यूम कर, हे कोणूच म्हणना. लिगलूच मायनिंग रिझ्यूम कर, बट तातूंत डोंट पुट स्पोक्स इन टू रिझम्पशन ऑफ मायनिंग. वी हॅव ऑलरेडी लॉस्ट आउट ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ टायम. अँड आय फील पर्सनली इफ यू लूज आउट ऑन फर्दर टायम, the situation will only get more and more complicated. It might go out of hand. And is presently with the COVID situation, tourism industry collapsed. If the rate of unemployment, if you see in Goa, is the highest, 34.5% कितें तरी आसा. पब्लीक डेट पळय तूं स्टेटाचें आज 21-22 रुपया जाला. पब्लीक प्रोजेक्ट खंयच्यान फंड करतलो? पूण आमी उलयताले पब्लीक लायब्ररीज खंयची? I mean, see, all these things could be addressed if the state coffers are filled up with money by whatever royalty yata, indirect taxes yata, district mineral fund asa. District mineral fund actually is to be used. And today with the COVID situation, tourism आमगेलें गेलें. We don't know for how long. People are, in fact, mining and tourism were the only two mainstays of Goan economy. आमचे कडेन इंडस्ट्रीज ना तश्यो बाकीच्या स्टेटान कश्यो आसा तशे इंडस्ट्रीज ना आमचे कडेन. पोर्ट एक थोडो पोर्टाचें बी काम करता. So it is not. See, you have to have a holistic view of it. You can't just say कि एक जजमेंट आयिल्लो 2014 मायनिंग बंद कर म्हणून. Actually, if you go to see that judgment, it is also not that way. The state was given the powers. So that interpretation, of course, will be done by the Supreme Court. But in fact, I appeal to all of you all also, take a holistic view of the matter. See, it is easy to create a problem or identify a problem. To provide a solution is difficult. We are here to see how a solution can be achieved for the present crisis, and so that the crisis don't deepen, crisis don't get worse. That is the.
एक वेगळे पिटिशन तुम्ही करता.
ना आम्ही इम्प्लिडमेंट घाला. पेटिशनां दोन आसा सुप्रीम कोर्टान मुखार. एक वेदांतान घाला, एक गीताबाला परुलेकर, एक मायन लीज होल्डर ताणें घाला. इन दॅट गोवा फावंडेशन हॅज इंटरवीन, इम्प्लीड केला तांकां. That has been allowed. Sudeep Tamanekar, who was also there previously, ताणें घाला. So in light of this, we have also moved the Supreme Court. We are going to put forward our troubles. In fact, we were heard in 2014 जो जजमेंट आयला तातूंत एक पॅराग्राफूच आसा. तेन्ना प्रेझेंट लॉ मिनिस्टर हरिशंकर प्रसाद जी, he was the lawyer for panchayats at that point in time. His statement has been recorded and it has been noted by the Supreme Court. In light of that statement, you can't stop mining. That there are large number of people who are dependent on mining. So that all has been taken note of by the Supreme Court. We are hopeful. So that it should
मेन
even
प्रेयर केली रिझम्पशन ऑफ मायनिंग. मेन प्रेयर तुमचं या पिटिशनात तुम्ही घातलं.
resumption of mining. Yes, resumption of proper mining. So it shouldn't be. Yeah.
So you said
Right now, to the Supreme Court, implement has been filed by 26. Because of COVID, we couldn't galvanize, all this social distancing. But yes, and these are the most affected panchayats. 7 तालुका पडटा. तातूंत ह्यो पंचायती पळय आसा त्यो ह्या 7 तालुक्यांनी येता. These panchayats, see, they feel the brunt of it. आतां तूं म्हणटलो खंयची आतां कलंगूट पंचायत, नांदोळे पंचायत, तांकां they were dependent on mining. Maybe some sort of tourism they did derive by the mining sector, if at all. But then they will not be affected by mining. And coastal belt asa, you see, COVID situation, it has actually set us back by a few years. Mining, if it doesn't resume, then we go back 25 years.
economically total loss कितलो झालो till now?
Till now, I mean, I think the
Economically.
projections, some reports which I have read, is about 5,000 crores per year for center and state. Office state is majority. If you see, is the state earns by way of royalty. State earns by way of so many transport cess असता. Panchayats earn by way of octroi. तशी octroi मेळटाली पंचायतीक. Trade license fees असता. Indirect taxes असता. Dead rent मेळटा. Surface rent मेळटा. You get see, indirect benefits are very difficult. Indirect benefits will be much more than the direct benefits, because mining is an industry. It is at the core of, or rather what you can say, at the helm of the affairs. Businesses trickle down, like tourism. Tourism is, say, आमचे beaches, whatever. Hotels asa. एक hotel supports so much of an industry which trickles down. Right? There is employment. तांकां मागीर घरान रावपाक ते आयदर घरा बांदता नाल्यार भाड्याक येता. So general standard of living improves. See, ultimately today we have to all concern ourselves with the economy, the economic condition of the state. You can't force the state to keep borrowing money, and public debt finally has to be paid at some point in time. If you have the opportunity to generate the wealth, why not? And who knows what the future holds.
On the loan, any talks have been done with the banks?
With the
Banks.
they are also on. But see, banks also have their limitation. They cannot just keep.
फाटले 8 वर्ष जाले मायनिंग बंद जाल्यार आनी आमकां म्हणल्यार आमच्या ह्या वाठार मायनिंग बेल्टाच्या वाठाराच्या लोकांक कितें त्रास जाले ते आमकांच खबर आसा, कित्याक आमी तांकां फुड्यांतल्यान पळयतात. सो आमचे खंय तरी गव्हर्मेंटाकय रिक्वेस्ट आमी कितले फावट केले, भरपूरशे एज्युकेशन आमी केले आनी ताच्या माध्यमांतल्यान गेले. आमी आज गव्हर्नराक मेळपाक आयले. आमचे वाटेन रिक्वेस्ट म्हणल्यार पंचायतीचे बाकीचे सरपंच आनी सगळे बाबा खंय तरी आमकां हेल्प करचो आनी हे मायनिंग जे टेम्पररी मायनिंग मदीं मदीं 1-2 म्हयन्या खातीर चालू जाता तें न जाता परमनंट मायनिंग हे आमकां चालू करून दिवचें आनी आमच्या लोकांक ह्या जे वायट परिस्थिती आज लोकांचेर उद्भवल्या मायनींग बंद जावन कित्याक जे डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट सगळे लोक म्हळ्यार मायनिंगाचे 90% आमच्या वाठाराचे लोक हे मायनिंगाचेर डिपेंड आसताले आनी राविल्ले आनी फाटल्या 8 वर्सांनी कांयच ना म्हटल्यार आतां पॅन्डेमीक जालो नाल्यार कोविडा खातीर लॉकडावन येतात पूण आमचे खातीर हे लॉकडावन म्हणटा ते इकॉनॉमिकल लॉकडावन हे फाटल्या 8 वर्सांन जायत आयिल्ले आसा आनी आमी कशे परिस्थितीन हे भोगता हें आमकां खबर ना सो आमी 2012 आसा म्हळ्यार फाटल्या 8 वर्सां सो आमचो रिक्वेस्ट इतलोच गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन तशेंच आज गव्हर्नरा आमी स्पेशली रिक्वेस्ट करपाक आयिल्ले बाबा खंय तरी बेगींतल्या बेगीन प्रॉपर मायनींग चालू करचें आनी परमनंट मायनींग चालू करचें आनी जेणे करून आमकां सर्वायव जावपाक म्हळ्यार आमकां जगपाक आनी जिते रावपाक चान्स दिवचो इतलेंच मागपाक आमी आज गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन आयिल्ले
You blame for which government? खंयची गव्हर्मेंट
आमी गव्हर्मेंटाक ब्लेम करना पूण कित्याक केस सुप्रीम कोर्टान आसा
ना गेल्या 8 वर्सांसून चालू
8 वर्सां साकून केस 14 साकून कोर्टानूच आसा सो आमी गव्हर्मेंटाक खंयचो ब्लेम करना कित्याक गव्हर्मेंटा सगळे गव्हर्मेंटचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आसा तांकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा मायनींग गोंयांक जाय म्हणून आनी चलपाक जाय सो ना अशें कोणाक खबर ना अशें ना आनी कोणीच आमकां आज पर्यंत ओपोज करूं ना फक्त आमचो रिक्वेस्ट कितें जाता तितले बेगीन ते मुखार व्हरचे खंयच्याय माध्यमांतल्यान तुमी करात पूण बेगीन करा पार्लमेंटांतल्यान करात नाजाल्यार सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान पूण हियरींग फास्ट करून बेगींतल्या बेगीन हाजेर डिसिजन दिवन हें मायनींग प्रॉपर मायनींग चालू करचें इतलेंच आमचें रिक्वेस्ट
एनजीओ जी ब्लॉकेड हाडटा प्रत्येक फावटी कित्याक हाडटा अशी दिसता कितें
ना
करता
तो एनजीओचो आतां आमी जेन्ना बिझनेस करता हो आमचो रोल बाबा आमचो धंदो चलचो नाजाल्यार लोकांक एक लायव्हलीहूड मेळचें लोकांक काम मेळचें तशेंच एनजीओचेच कितें तरी आसतलें आपल्यालें त्या प्रमाणे ते चलता पूण कोर्ट आसा न्ही लास्ट सो कोर्टाचें डिसिजन कोर्टान दिवपाचें न्ही तातूंत एनजीओ फाल्यां ओपोज करता नाल्यार आनी कोण ओपोज करता म्हण ना आमी म्हणटात बेगींतल्या बेगीन डिसिजन दिया आनी परमनंट मायनींग चालू करा
सरकारा कडेन टॉक केला तुम्ही आता
सरकारा
कशे
कडेन आमी
गव्हर्नर
कितले फावट उलयल्ले आसा आयचो जो सीएम आसा प्रमोद सावंतजी तेय मायनींग बेल्डांतलेच रिप्रेझेंटेशन करता आनी तांकां मायनिंगाचे डिटेल खबर आसा बाबा लोकांचे त्रास कितें लोकांचे हाल अपेश्टा कितें काडटा आमी ते सो तोय पॉझिटीव आसा म्हणल्यार आमचो सीएमूय पॉझिटिवली काम करतात फक्त आमी जे आज गव्हर्नरा मेळपाचो उद्दिश्ट इतलो बाबा गव्हर्नराच्या कानार घालून ताणें बाबा आपले वाटेन एफर्ट्स घेवन हें बेगींतल्या बेगीन आमकां सॉल्व करून दिवचें
किती एश्युरन्स किती दिला
गव्हर्मेंट ह्या विशयाचेर तांकां आमी पयलींय गव्हर्नरान ह्या विशयाचेर पयलीं येवन मेळिल्ले आमी ताका ते पॉझिटीव आसा आनी तांकां हो विशय डिटेल खबर आसा सो तो म्हणटा गोंयची जर इकॉनॉमी चलतली गोंयच्या लोकांक जर कितें जाल्यार मायनींग बेगींतल्या बेगीन चालू जावपाक हो ताजें ओपिनियन आसा